Hey everyone, welcome back to Coles on the Go. Today we're exploring the making of Harry Potter at Warner Brothers Studio Tour, London. We started our journey by taking the tube to Watford Junction. From there you can hop on the studio shuttle bus. Before you even step inside, the outside of the studio sets the tone. The walkway is lined with oversized wands and massive chess piece statues, which instantly gets you excited for what's ahead. We opted for the VIP pass, which meant skipping the main line, a huge bonus. We'll be sharing our full VIP experience in a future video, so stay tuned for that. As soon as you enter, the excitement really starts to build. Hanging above you in the main lobby is the Ukrainian Iron Belly Dragon. Along the sides of the lobby are displays of costumes worn throughout the film. This area also includes the information desk, cloakroom, and the studio shop, which you'll return to at the end of the tour. At the far end of the lobby, you'll find the food hall, the hub cafe, and the chocolate frog cafe. Ready to begin the tour, you line up to enter the cinema room, where a short introductory film plays. It features the world-renowned cast sharing memories from their time on set. Once the presentation ends, the doors open, and you step directly into the Great Hall. This is the iconic room where countless banquets took place, and of course, where students were sorted into their houses. The hall is fully dressed from floor to ceiling with original props and costumes. The level of detail and craftsmanship on display is absolutely breathtaking. From there, you move into the interior sets area, which features a wide variety of sets along with demonstrations of hair and makeup techniques. If you time it right, you can catch a live performance from the schools featured in the Goblet of Fire as they enter from different areas of the room and perform on their way to the stage. Next, you'll have the option to try the green screen experiences. You can ride a broomstick while being filmed and insert into a flying scene, or have your photo taken and turned into a wanted poster. Watching the finishing results was hilarious and definitely worth it. Then you enter the dark arts area, centered around Malfoy Manor and the life-size figure of Lord Voldemort. After that, you step into the Forbidden Forest. This immersive indoor walkthrough creates the eerie Hogwarts grounds with massive 12-foot wide trees, mist, and low lighting. Along the winding path, you'll encounter a full-scale animatronic Buckbeak, who bows to visitors, and a life-size Aragog, emerging from a dark cavern surrounded by giant spiders. The experience is highly interactive. You can trigger thunder and lightning effects, or even cast a silver Patronus to ward off a Dementor hidden among the trees. Next up is Platform 9 3/4, featuring the original Hogwarts Express, a 78-year-old steam engine you can actually board. You can walk through the narrow corridors and peek into the carriage compartments styled after iconic scenes from the films. The platform includes luggage trolleys disappearing into the brick wall for that classic photo opportunity. Along with a train station style shop, you can also sit inside a railway carriage with green screen windows that bring the wizarding world to life as it rushes by. Before heading outside, you can grab a bite to eat at the Backlot Cafe. Then you enter the backlot, the tour's expansive outdoor area. Here you'll find exterior sets like Number 4 Pivot Drive, where you can step inside the Dursleys' home, and the rickety Hogwarts Bridge, which you can actually walk across. This area is also home to the famous wizarding vehicles, including the Night Bus, the Weasleys flying forward, and the Hagrid's motorbike. You can also pull screaming mandrakes in Professor Sprout's greenhouse. Next is the creature effects area, a fascinating workshop that reveals how the Wizarding World's creatures were brought to life using practical effects. You'll see lifelike animatronics like Buckbeak, the mechanical head of the basilisk, and the unsettling infant Voldemort from the graveyard scene. The walls are lined with goblin and house elf masks, showing just how much detail went into transforming actors like Warwick Davis into characters such as Griphook. From there you enter the Gringotts Wizarding Bank expansion, the largest interior set of the tour. The grand banking hall features towering marble columns, massive crystal chandeliers, and goblin teller desks stacked with gold and ledgers. The final room features smoke, digital effects, and a life-size dragon crashing through the floor and breathing fire in an intense immersive finale. Next, you walk into Diagon Alley, a winding cobblestone street filled with iconic storefronts. The hand-painted signs, crooked architecture, and dusty shop windows are packed with incredible detail. The colorful 3-story joke shop even features a 20-foot animatronic figure tipping its hat as you pass. The tour concludes in the model room, an unforgettable grand finale. At the center is a massive 1x24 scale model of the Hogwarts Castle, used for nearly every exterior shot throughout the series. Built by 86 artists, it features real gravel, live plants, and hundreds of fiber optic lights. As you walk around the elevated path, the lighting cycles from day to night, bringing the castle to life. The walls are lined with thousands of wand boxes, each labeled with the names of the cast and crew members, a touching tribute to everyone who helped create the films. After the Hogwarts Castle experience, you exit into the gift shop to wrap up the tour. Thanks so much for watching. Next week we'll be sharing our full VIP experience, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more Coles on the Go adventures. We'll see you next time.